Welcome back to Shiny Metal Bars. Well, it's been another week and it's that awesome time again where I get to make some beautiful Nordic Gold Bars. Those that seen last week's video will remember this Saxon hot water unit, which is completely made out of copper. And today I'll be using the very last of the scrap metal to make today's 3 Nordic Gold Bars. Last week's video I used the insane copper coil that was found inside this huge tank. But today, see this giant sunflower? Well, that's what I'm cutting up and throwing inside my 25 kilo crucible. For those who are watching me for the first time, you probably have no idea what Nordic Gold is. Nordic Gold is made from 4 different metals: copper, aluminium, zinc and tin. And when these metals are melted together, you end up with a beautiful metal alloy that closely resembles gold and makes absolutely stunning display pieces. Being a plumber and gas fitter, I use copper and aluminium every day. But as for tin and zinc, well, I had to buy these from China. These little offcuts are very expensive. Well, it's time to fire up the brand new furnace. Long sleeves, pants, boots, full-face respirator and safety glasses are an absolute must. The aluminium melts very quickly. And check out these green flames. I love it when copper burns. Today I'm adding borax to the melt to see if that helps me produce better bars. For those who've seen last week's video, you'll remember that I lost 2 out of 3 bars. Borax helps different metals bond together. You can literally see it doing its magic right now. Heating moulds is an absolute must, and failure to do so will result in splatters, explosions and even cracking your moulds. Today I'm trying a different tactic. Today I'm pouring the metal really slow to see if that helps produce a better bar. Check out the heat transfer to the moulds. This molten metal comes out of the crucible around 1500 degrees. If you're still here watching, I just want to say thanks, legend. Thanks for sticking around. Show your support and hit that like button. And why not write a message and tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to hear from every single one of yous. The first 2 turned out absolutely perfect, but check out this last one. See the size of that hole? This is a reject, unfortunately. Today's Nordic Gold Bar is for an absolute legend from Bargara, Queensland. AAA pressure and soft washing. Ridiculous amounts of sanding and polishing goes into every single bar. I start from 300 grit and make my way all the way up to 10,000. The process takes me at least 5 hours. I'm using the X-Tool Ultra to laser on the client's business name. This machine is state of the art and I can literally copy and paste any business logo, name or design necessary. Well, there you have it guys, another beautiful Nordic Gold bar. If you would like one of these, please let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. Remember, no two bars are ever the same. They are completely handmade. Only machine is me and my grinders and polishers. The bars won't be perfect, but the slight imperfections is what gives them their character. If you guys love this type of videos and you want to support me, the best way to do it, hands down, is to please like and share, repost this video. Drop me a comment, say hello, tell me where you're watching from, and please head over to my YouTube channel and check out the full-length videos there. This Nordic bar weighs close to 3.5 kilos, comes with a beautiful wooden stand and has laser inscription. Price is $500 and does not include shipping. You've got to remember that these things take me close to 10 hours, so cost barely covers times. Prices will be definitely going up soon, so best to get in now. Well, that's it for another week here at Shiny Metal Bars. This is Ash, and until next time, take care.